Hey guys, what's up? Joel Patrick here, and watch this.
Hey dogs, let's go out. Come on dogs.
Alright guys, yeah. I'm taking them out, so here we go. Let me take this in right here. Alright, let's start out with my dog.
Come on dogs. Hey, dogs. Come here.
Guys, I'm gonna cut this part out because we put leashes on them, so yeah. Alright guys, here we go. We're going outside, taking my dog out right here. Turn. Up that door. Alright, looks like it's gonna rain, guys. It's Christmas Eve, guys. Christmas Eve. Yeah. Just, videotaping. Taking my dogs out because later, when I'm opening up my Christmas Eve presents, because I have some family that have things planned tomorrow on Christmas that won't be able to come tomorrow for actual Christmas Day. So yeah, that's why I'm getting these presents early. So yeah. I was just gonna make this video, let you know when that video is made. There's not gonna be an intro. Like my intro song, you're gonna hear the whole 3 minutes of it. Well, actually no, probably not the Christian music. Probably just be doing my intro for my other YouTube channel, the Crystal Nerd Productions. And we kind of go by diamonds in the monthly reward, so I'm an amethyst, because that's how it goes. If you're born in February, you'd be amethyst, that's a diamond. So I'm amethyst. So I'm be saying, hey guys, what's up, Joel Patrick here, aka Amethyst. And that will go on the channel this video is going to be going on. And I'm a Crystal Nerd, so yeah. Put my dog back inside. I'll cut the video when I'm putting the leash on the other dog. And then we'll go out here, let them do their business. And then I'll cut the video, put the other leash on the dog, and then we will be done, and I'll upload this to YouTube for you guys. So yeah. By the time I get this uploaded, it will probably be 5 o'clock or something like that. And by the time you get the other video, it'll probably be 7 o'clock, guys. So yeah. I can make 20-minute videos, but I prefer not to keep it down a little because I don't have extra room on my tablet. This is what I use every day, guys. So yeah. Dog back in here. Come on, get in here. Come on. Alright guys, I'm gonna cut it right here. Alright guys, here we go. Now I'm going to the front. Alright. Hey, what is that noise? There's my dog barking. Shut up! Jesus Christ. Alright. Come on, do your business. Done? Done, baby girl? Where's that? Are you done? Come on, guys. Alright. Hang on, guys. Alright, let's go, guys. This is the old coop we have right here. Very old. Very old dog. He's nice. Guys, any cars you see with their plates on them, please don't try to do anything because any of you guys watching this, and also YouTube, if I do show any plates, I'm very sorry. I am not paying attention right now because I have to take out my dog, and I'm just making this video to let people know. Hey, Ray. What you doing, Ray? Come on, Ray. Come on, Ray Ray. 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 Come on, Ray Ray. Ray Ray. Ray Ray, come on. Come on, Ray Ray. Come on, let's go. Let's go, man. Come on, Harley. Come on, Ray Ray. Let's get you inside. Come on. Come on, Harley. Okay. Come on, Ray. Harley. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sure this is my stall. Ray. Ray. You know what? Screw it. Come on. Come on, Ray. Come on, follow me, buddy. Come on. I thought you didn't know he was out. I was getting him back in. Alright. Three. You're on YouTube now. Just kidding. Not really, not kidding. This is going up on YouTube. Come on, all cute. Kid. Alright. Stop, dude. Stop, Harley. Stop. You won't stop. Stop it. Alright. Yeah, he would. Alright, guys. Oh, come on, man. Seriously? Sorry, guys. My intro song went out. Just go about intro song, but yeah. See you guys. Sorry about the intro. It kind of went out. I guess it can't go out for 7 minutes, but yeah. Bye, guys. See you sometime tonight again. Bye, guys.